All right, y'all, so we got a super special clean truck today. We got a 2005 GMC Sierra. As you guys see, it's a 1500 SLE. I say it's special because this thing is super clean. So a lot of times, you guys see all of our classic vehicles and, obviously they're all special in their own right. But I think what a lot of you guys don't realize, the cars that we personally think are special are the ones that have been supremely maintained and look like they're in showroom quality, no matter the miles. So it make you think like, the previous owner, they really took care of it. So this is one of them cars. You're gonna hear me say it a bunch through the video. I love this truck, everything that it represents. Like, it's just super clean. So again, we got 2005. Getting into it, I'm gonna get this paint about a 9 or maybe a 9.5. The issue with white, you can't always see every imperfection, but I do think that you guys can see clearly under these lights. This white looks amazing. It's nice and bright. But the thing that really stands out for me is all of this trim that you see going around whenever you see two-tone. That's normally the first thing that starts to go. Obviously the wheel well arches, they get rock chips, things like that. But normally these get oxidized and you start seeing peeling. You're gonna see as we go around the truck, the two-tone looks amazing. Going down the door, again, no issues. I didn't see any dents, anything that needs to be pointed out. Windows are solid. Factory sunroof option. Let's go ahead and keep on moving. Again, super clean. Got a little tiny bit of a scratch right there. Again, not something that even matters, but like I said, it's just a beautiful truck. Got a hard bed cover on it. No issues here, or a tonneau cover, however you want to say it. Body matched, obviously. When I pop the trunk or the bed, you guys will see it's rhino lined and everything. Bumper looks great. No dents, no rust of any kind. Normally these plastics start getting scratched up and faded. No issues there. Looking down the side of the truck, again, no dents, anything that need to be pointed out, no scratches. All trim is intact too, the chrome trim down the bottom. All right, front windshield, I didn't see any rock chips, any cracks. Again, we talking about a 2005, so 22-year-old vehicle. Hood good. We do have a couple little rock chips here and there, but it looks like they've been hit with touch-up paint, so you guys probably aren't even seeing it on the camera. Front of the truck looks great. Again, no rust in the chrome, no dents. Bottom bumper looks beautiful, and like I said, no dents or anything there. Let me go ahead and pop the hood. As you see, almost spotless underneath, no rust, anything. Got your Vortec, power brakes, power steering. As you guys can see, everything is super clean under here. Like, we don't have any issues. Newer battery. Definitely. Apologize for that, I had to take the call. 5.3. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. For underneath, you guys see again how spotless and how clean it is. Let me shut this. I think this camera gonna end up dying. I'm gonna end up having to pause this when we do the test drive or something. Shocks are pretty smooth on the underline on the bed cover. Carpeted, very nice. Drop the back. Bed cover's clean. Like I said, it's rhino lined. Nothing. It's back of a bed. It's what you expect. Tailgate was super light. A little bit surprising. Alright, let's check out the interior. Interior is in beautiful condition too. I really didn't see anything I could point out. Like I said, I'm probably give it about a 9. The only thing I could probably nitpick is some of the seats. But dash beautiful. No cracks, no rips. Passenger seat. No cracks, no rips. You do have your normal wear patterns, but again, 150,000 miles, it is what it is. Beautiful door panel, no cracks, no warping. Everything works, which you guys will see later on in the video. Same with the rear seat. Carpet looks great. Got the OG matte still, but like I said, carpet's in great condition. Let me put that back. Rear seats don't even look like anybody ever sat here. They don't have any wear patterns or anything. Headliner gorgeous, no sagging, no dirt. Let me get on over here to the driver's side. Again, no issues with the door. Oh, I just noticed the little emergency light, red light when the door is open so people can see, that's missing right here. Yeah, just noticed that. So that's one thing to nitpick. But you guys see these jams. Again, this side, same as the other. It doesn't look like anyone was ever back here. Driver side. Panel looks great. No rips, no warps. And here's our driver's seat. Actually, it's in better condition than the passenger seat because I don't even see any rear wear patterns. So, it's in the console. All right, give me a second when I got to get started with the test drive. Let's grab the keys. Fires right up, no issues there. Mileage reads 158,280. As you see, no lights on or anything. You got your seatbelt / airbag. I got that on. Lights are on. I can see them reflecting up there. What else? I rolled up the lights. You can see the interior lights are on, so we're good there. Left and in the mirrors, right and in the mirrors as well. All gauges work as expected. Horn good. Windows going up, no issues. Front windows, no issues. What else we got? Power seats. Everything works. Let's check the radio.
His leadership.
Radio good. 6-disc CD changer, if I'm not mistaken. Heat. And I know it's got AC as well. What else? No light in the glove box. Power mirror. Sunroof. Sunroof works with 0 issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut that back. Like I said, I know you guys are like, man, you know, it's just a basic truck. You know, nothing super crazy by any means at all. But for us, we love when we get vehicles that have been super well maintained, taken care of in every single way possible. And, you know, that's what we appreciate. So, 2-wheel drive truck. I think the other reason that everybody likes these trucks too, depending on how you feel, this might possibly be one of the last, I'm gonna say analog. I know it's got digital features, but it's like one of the last really good truck models. Like I'm talking about the GMCs and I'm talking about the Chevys, so the Silverados and the Sierras. It's one of the last ones that, you know, before they started being $100,000 in every single luxury item possible available, you know, you can kind of treat it like a truck and just enjoy it, at least in my opinion anyway. So I think that's why people like these so much. So far the ride is nice and smooth as expected. Drives like a truck. You know, before we start having you know, the air ride on everything and massaging seats, heated seats, which don't get me wrong, I appreciate all of it, but just saying. Speedometer is working, no issue. Hands off the wheel, she's tracking straight, no problems. Brakes, no pull. Let's see. Wheel is centered, no real play in it. Brakes feel solid, no issues there. You guys shouldn't, there's no squealing or anything like that. No shaking from the rotors. .53, you got more than enough power to go ahead and move. I can't remember back in 05, but just for argument's sake, I know most 5.3s, you're somewhere in that 315 to 330 range on horsepower. Again, more than enough to move this truck. Suspension feels solid. You guys shouldn't be hearing any type of shakes or squeals or rattles of any kind. No belt squeal. So, like I said, by far, this is the cleanest truck that we've ever had. And I mean, you know, you guys have seen we've had, what? We had like, yeah, two 2018 Escalades, a 17 Escalade. And you guys saw the bulletproof 22 Yukon. I think that's it for newer trucks. So when I'm telling you this 05 is cleaner than all of them, that's why we appreciate it so much. So give me a moment, I'm gonna throw on the rack and we will look at starting with the rear again. Bumper looks great, no issues there, no dents, nothing like that. Still got the OG spare tire, you can't do anything with, so please do not use. 20 years old. Underneath, like I said, frames, everything looks great. Drums in the rear, no leaks from the rear. Shocks been replaced at some point in time. Gas tank looks good, no signs of leaks. Let's go down the right side first. Again, frame, underbody, all look beautiful. Nothing that needs to be pointed out here. Coming down the driver's side, same thing. Literally nothing that needs to be pointed out. This thing is super clean. Just came off the test drive, no signs of leak from the oil or trans pan. Disc brakes up in the front, all stock suspension. Like I said, this truck is super clean. And then that front bumper, again, almost looks so clean that it's probably been, that it looked like it's been repainted, but I'm sure it hasn't. We got a little bit of a, oh, that's actually dirt. Thought it was a scratch. All right, coming down the passenger side, again, all 4 matching wheels, excellent tire depth. Underneath looks great, you guys see. The body mount still looks solid, not squished, not rusted out, anything like that. Underneath the body looks great, no rust. Got a little bit of a paint chip right here. Again, bottom of the car, you kind of expect that with rocks and things kicking up. Rear quarter panel. Driver's side. Apologize, that car a little bit loud. Sounds like it's idling super high. Again, frame looks solid. Body mount's good there. Oh, I just realized, I think he had a spare key. I think that's what, yep. Let me see. Of course, I can't get it open, but I'm pretty sure that's what that is. I'll check it once we get off camera. It's a little spare key holder. All right, like I said, super. So if you guys are interested in this 05 Sierra, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.